Research complete.
Playing with kinetic sand. It can be just super hard like that, huh, Bubba?
Come here. Oh, come here.
Yeah, you can break it up into cheese. So you can make it soft, huh? You make ice cream? Like, it's so soft. What else can we do with it? And it doesn't stick on your fingers. Then you can good job. Put this cap on and we smash. Now see something cool, Mason? Smash. Yum. Look at that. And then we can into a ball. What else can we do? We can make ribbons. And you can easily pick up other sand with other sand. The best part of the no mess. Wow, nice. That's nice. And wow. Yeah, 2 ice cream. Ribbon. Ribbon. What else can we make? This tool set. We can also... Are you making ice cream, baby? Ooh, 2 scoops. With your ice cream, we can do, sprinkle toppings. Ooh.
Sprinkle
Toppings.
Oh,
good. And when we're done, we can clump it up.
Okay.
Clump it up, and we're all done. We can put it away. There's other colors too, like blue and red.
Let's go, Dad.
What else can we make?
Let's go, Dad.
Let's go. Where'd your shovel go? Oh, you buried it. Smash into a circle. And you can crumble it. It's ready. Ooh, that's nice. For toppings. And you can even chop it up. And did it help you? Okay, make topping for the ball. Ice cream coming up. Sprinkle topping. Do you want to try turn it, baby?
No, it's so big.
Okay. Ooh, toppings. And just tap. It doesn't even leave any marks. So nice.
Cookies.
Is it cookie? You want a cookie? Cookie. Good. Hi everybody. Welcome to our channel. Sky. Sky Gentle. When you're all done, close the box. Close the box. All done. Good to go. Kinetic sand. So much fun.
Awesome, Mom.
Okay, bye.